Carl thinks this cat statue is real. Oh my God. Carl, it's the statue. It's not a cat.
Ooh, a luxury crossover SUV. Let me check and see if they got some meat in the back. Any meat? No, what? What? No, no, you've got me mistaken. I thought that this was my car. I have the same make, model, and color, and I usually keep some meat in the back. I gotta get. I didn't do anything. I just want some meat. Please give me some meat.
Здравствуйте. Чей туфля?